Hello everyone, welcome to Trading Oxygen YouTube page. We are here on midweek on Wednesday morning. Generally, if you see, I don't post midweek analysis, but this week was little special because whatever we spoke on the Sunday morning, that what can play on a weekly is already been played or half of the trades are already been done. If you see, we talked about the BTC can come for a retest. Around it has come to a 6,000 points already running in our profit. 70% is already booked. If you see the USOIL, the entire bid, the entire target has been received, which I thought that it will play for a weekly. It fall from exact level which we talked in that video. You can refer the last week video. And then if you see, I have started the another thread, which we will talk in this video that it is going up for the same level yesterday. If you talk about the gold, how the gold will perform, if you see the gold is also performing exactly falling from a same level which we talked about. So that forced me to think that why don't I create a midweek analysis video for crypto and gold and US oil. So if you see on the midweek 6,000 points are running. I'm not closing this because the 70% is already been booked. Now, now let's see from a fresh eyes that what else can play in us. So that's what I've done. I have without touching that chart, I've added the Coinbase chart and let's do the analysis there. Okay, because it's a midweek, I will not go on a weekly chart. I'll stick with the daily chart very quickly. Okay, so if you see on a daily chart what BTC is doing. BTC is here, okay, and if you see where was the BTC, BTC, the last was this, okay, this was our last target. So ideally, what I was thinking, okay, I was just thinking in the normal, the price action would be very good if prices comes for retest of this level. What was that? This was the high of the previous high, and then it gave the breakout, but it never gave a retest on a daily time, not even a weekly, not even a hourly, not 4 hours, 2 hours, 30 minutes. No one the retest never came. That is why I didn't take any single bullish trade, because if we have to follow rule, we have to follow complete rule. So in an ideal way, the price should have come here, but the one rule of fib, if I put the fib from here to here, okay, where prices is currently stuck, the prices are stuck on zero point 0.5 to zero point 0.6 level, which can be his reversal level if prices has to reverse from here. And that is why it forced me to create a video on midweek that I should tell you guys that the prices which is hovering here is our make or break level. Okay, so this is my make or break level, which is what is we call it the decision time. Okay, the the breaking of this box, whether this side or downside, will be decided that if it's break this level, okay, if the right now prices are like this, the prices go like this, breaks it, come for a retest. If the retest happen, it will go for another high, or it will at least go till where it gave the last bullish to make it double top or make it higher high, where that we will see. But in case if the prices come like the prices right now here, it spent some time break this, go for a retest, and then comes the prices are coming to retest this stuff. Okay, this the prices can come. Okay, now the another thing which is happening, so this is the use case number one for BTC. This is the use case number two. There's another thing which is happening in BTC. For that we need to go for a 4 hours or 2 hours. Let me see, 4 hours is showing that. No, 2 hours. On 2 hours we see what BTC is trying to do here. BTC is making something like this pattern. Okay, so this pattern is getting, so what you should do is, Even if in the use case number one, when I said that prices go up, that close. And why I'm giving a lot of importance on a retest, because it is possible that the prices still can go up, but it is going up to create only the right shoulder. And once it create the right shoulder, the prices will come back again. And here it will be a decision time. And where the decision time is happening in the decision box. Let's say if this breaks this level like this, which is what is my use case number three. Okay, the prices come till here, retest, and it successfully break this, the pattern which is trying to trade. What will be our target? Our target will be this. Okay, and what is this target? This is exactly where we are waiting for our prices to come for a retest once. See guys, we are bullish. I will be bullish once the retest happens. Prices are going up, 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 doesn't make it bullish. The prices come with the right price action, then goes up, then creates a higher high, then it's a bullish for me. So one of these things can happen. So what we discussed either the prices break this, go up, retest, it will go for a higher high. Still, I will not be happy with that. Prices go up till here, come for a retest fail, the right shoulder will be created. We will play this. Or one trade which is already running for us, where the 70% is already booked. I'm not touching that. I will see if the prices make the higher high of this, then probably I book 90% and will come out of it, and then I will wait for this particular thing to happen. But I still think I am very, very hopeful that something like this is going to happen in BTC and the price is going to slash here. Okay, so we have use case 1, use case 2, use case 3 for BTC, which we are going to play for the midweek. Is still midweek. We will go. Generally, I start the trade and I play for the whole week. But this because most of my trades are already been done. That is why I'm here with the new chart with the midweek. What can happen? Okay. Now, quickly, let's go to gold. Gold, as I said, already the 60% quantities are booked with this much hand, and this was the exact level, and it's not even so. If you refer the video, there's nothing which I've done here. It came on this level, we started the trade, and since then this is running. This is the power of FIB, okay, which makes us to do that. But just to make that, because we have to do analysis, let me go to the fresh setup in gold. Okay, let me delete this. And for the midweek, let me go to a daily chart. Okay. Clearly, it is playing between the trend lines. Okay. This is the very, it seems to be a very strong trend line now. Okay. That it is one, and probably this also. We will go on a lower time and we will try to connect more dot, but there is a clearly one downtrend here, and there is a one trend line which is coming like this. Okay, so on a daily time, it is stuck between two important trend line. Let me go to the 2 hours or 4 hour first. On 4 hour, if you see one touch, twice, thrice. Okay, if I need to make it more good line so that 4 hours it will be touch, let me make it something like this. Can I make it say, as I said in my previous a lot of video, a good trend line is if you can connect a lot of uh, price wick with one touch, two touch, three touch, four touch. This is a good trend line which has come. Let me go to 2 hours now. Yes, the trend line is good and prices are like this, and trend line is getting squeezed now. Okay, if you see as the price goes, the trend line is getting squeezed and the breakout or breakdown can happen anytime. Okay, so now let me put a fib on gold here. Let me go to daily time. Okay, so this is how this is looking. What we have this, and we have this. Another rule of fib always goes from left to right. Okay, you must be confused that I don't know, I need to go from this swing to this swing or this swing to this swing. First, whatever you are gonna play, the the fib is gonna be playing from left to right. Okay. Uh, so what we have here, we are the prices are here on a daily time. This is on an important box. That is why I thought that I should make this video. Okay. So this is on my decision box here right now. The breakdown and breakup is simple. So so it is here where which we have already marked. This is my decision time for gold. Now, what we have for gold, what is looking like? The looking like is the gold is at decision time box. The if if it goes up like this, okay. If the gold like this goes like this, breakdown, retest, the wait for a do for a trade for this still trend line. The breakout of this trend line will give us a lot of good target, but that we will come back. But this is the first use case. The second use case, which is likely to happen because it's very near to time, the breakdown will happen of this trend line. If the breakdown happens of this box also retest and the breakdown, then your target is very big for gold, guys. Okay, what target that we will see right now, but the target can be a good target. Okay, so so this is use case one and use case two, what you should follow in gold. Okay, now is there any resistance which is directly coming in gold? Yeah, so this is your from where the first selling came. This is your resistance becomes support here. So looks like if it's gonna break, the breakdown target can be very heavy, like from 33332, it can go to 3155 also. That is gonna be our positional trade. But in case it break, definitely there is a resistance nearby, but that we will have to see. The target can be in that case, sorry, where you should keep on booking is like this. Okay. Your first target, as I said, it is going to be this box only, which is how you should plan. First, the higher of the trend line, and then to this, which is your double top. It will try to meet. Play for this. In case it comes down, then what you should do is first hop is gonna be this from where the lot of time it like the latest low, which was this. Okay, this is going to be your first low, first target, and then you play with the trailing as well in case this breaks. So this is gold for us, guys. Okay, if I have to go for a US oil, let me clear out everything. US oil is it at very good support here. Okay, this is going to be our support, and it is trying to play this trend line from where we have bought, we have uh, started the buying trade also here. Okay, and US oil, my positional target will be this for the buying trade. This from 66.72 to 70 and in between 72. In case this breaks, okay, in case this breaks, which Okay. In case this breaks happens, what happened? Okay. In case this break happen, then we have to play for this level, bottom this level first, before that this level. I mean, I'm not looking for a down to be very honest from USOIL, but in case I have to, so these will be my level. But for now, my trade is running to catch the target of this. Okay. Ethereum. Ethereum is one price action which is giving me a tough time, honestly, to understand more. But let me understand because see, BTC is following one price action. The Ethereum is playing the another price action. So for Ethereum, at for mine, already we have booked for this week 213 points in Ethereum. For now, I want to wait in Ethereum to be very honest because Ethereum is at this level Ethereum, where the very high selling came last time. So I will wait for Ethereum. So for me, for the next week, for the week ends, I'm not gonna trade on Ethereum. I'm gonna stick with gold, US oil, and BTC. And if there'll be any good trade, will be getting created in altcoins, but not Ethereum because Ethereum is I'm seeing that it's ready to trap all of us with a lot of price action movement, which is going to happen. If you see, uh, this is my BTC. If you see how the BTC is falling, but if you see the Ethereum, even on a 1 hour chart, yeah, do you see this price action and this price action both are on a hourly chart? Any similarity? I don't see. Okay, because I don't see, and I am a person who believes on the sink. Yes, maybe the alt season is starting. Maybe that is why ETH and BTC is trying to get decoupled with each other. But for now, I want to wait. For me, Ethereum is a no trade zone for this remaining 4 days of the week. For me, I'm gonna trade on Bitcoin, gold, and US oil. This I will remove from a chart section now onwards. So this is it, guys. Thank you so much for all your support, whatever the little support I'm getting. Few of the complaint which I get during the live stream that I am not a I'm don't do the scalping. Well, sorry guys, but by nature I'm not a scalper. If you see my trades are for the weekly and in weekly sometime like this week where the targets are already achieved, I'm gonna start the another trades bi-weekly like in mid week. Scalping has given me a loss in the history like many traders are suffering today because of the higher loss. I still suggest everyone for once try to do a positional trade. You will not regret. Keep supporting. Thank you, and we'll see you in other videos.